Hey there, welcome to Healthy Secrets. Today we're diving into the amazing world of lemon peels. You won't believe the incredible benefits and uses these little yellow wonders have. We're talking about everything from natural cleaning solutions to beauty hacks, pest control, and even some surprising health benefits. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. Alright guys, first up, let's talk about cleaning. Did you know you can ditch harsh chemicals and create a powerful all-natural cleaner using just lemon peels? It's true. This method is not only effective, but also eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Save those lemon peels after you've juiced them or use the zest in a recipe. Instead of throwing them away, you can repurpose them into a fantastic cleaning solution. Fill a jar about 2/3 full with lemon peels and then top it off with white vinegar. The vinegar helps to extract the natural oils and cleaning properties from the lemon peels. Seal the jar tightly and let it sit for about 2 weeks, giving it a good shake every few days. This allows the mixture to become more potent and effective. After 2 weeks, strain the mixture and dilute it with equal parts water in a spray bottle. This dilution makes it safe to use on various surfaces without being too harsh. Use it to clean countertops, sinks, stovetops, bathroom fixtures, and even floors. It's versatile and can tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks. The fresh, citrusy scent is a bonus. It leaves your home smelling clean and invigorating. For stubborn stains, sprinkle some baking soda on the surface and then spray it with your lemon peel cleaner. The combination of baking soda and the lemon vinegar solution works wonders. You're saving money and avoiding harsh chemicals that can be harmful to your health and the environment. Plus, you're making use of something that would otherwise be waste. Next up, let's dive into the world of skincare. Lemon peels are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which are amazing for brightening the complexion and reducing dark spots. These natural ingredients can work wonders for your skin, giving it a fresh and youthful glow. One of my favorite methods is to make a simple yet effective lemon peel face mask. It's easy to prepare and can be done with ingredients you probably already have at home. Blend a handful of lemon peels with a little bit of yogurt or honey until you get a smooth paste. The yogurt adds a soothing effect, while honey provides additional moisture and antibacterial properties. Apply this mixture to your face and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the mask will work to exfoliate and nourish your skin. Afterward, rinse off with warm water to reveal a brighter complexion. Another fantastic option is to make a lemon peel toner. This toner can be a refreshing addition to your skincare routine. Steep a handful of lemon peels in boiling water for about 15 minutes. This process helps to extract the beneficial properties from the peels. Then strain the liquid and let it cool completely. Store this toner in a spray bottle in the refrigerator for up to a week. Keeping it cool enhances its refreshing effect when applied to your skin. Spray it on your face after cleansing to tighten pores and brighten your complexion. This toner can also help to balance your skin's pH levels. Always do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying any new ingredient all over your face. This ensures that you won't have any adverse reactions and can enjoy the benefits safely. Have you ever walked into a room and been hit with an unpleasant odor? Lemon peels are here to save the day. Place a few peels in a bowl and set it out on your countertop or coffee table. The citrusy aroma will naturally diffuse into the air, eliminating any unwanted odors. You can even add some spices like cinnamon sticks or cloves for a warm and inviting fragrance. Another great option is to make a simmer pot. Fill a small pot with water, add a handful of lemon peels and any other aromatic ingredients you like. Bring the mixture to a simmer on the stovetop and let it infuse your home with a delightful scent. Ditch those chemical-laden air fresheners and opt for the natural, refreshing power of lemon peels. Let's talk hair care. Lemon peels can help remove product buildup, add shine, and even lighten your hair naturally. Boil 2 cups of water and add the peels of 1 lemon. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, then strain the liquid and let it cool completely. After shampooing and conditioning, pour the lemon peel rinse over your hair, gently massaging it into your scalp. Rinse it out with cool water. The citric acid in lemon peels helps to clarify your scalp, removing excess oil and product buildup. If you have blonde hair, you can also use a lemon peel rinse to enhance your natural highlights. Just remember, too much lemon juice can be drying to the hair, so use it sparingly. pests. They're a nuisance, aren't they? Lemon peels can be a natural and effective way to keep those pesky critters at bay. Rub lemon peels along windowsills, doorways, and any other entry points. Place dried lemon peels near garbage cans and other areas where pests tend to congregate. For a more potent pest repellent, simmer a few lemon peels in water, strain the liquid, and pour it into a spray bottle. The fresh lemon scent will leave your home smelling amazing. For all you gardening enthusiasts, lemon peels are a fantastic addition to your compost pile. They're rich in nitrogen and other essential nutrients that can help create nutrient-rich compost to nourish your plants. Chop the lemon peels into smaller pieces before adding them to your compost bin. The citric acid in lemon peels also helps to raise the acidity level of your compost, which is beneficial for breaking down organic matter. Adding lemon peels to your compost can help deter fruit flies. A bright white smile can boost your confidence. Did you know that lemon peels can help whiten your teeth naturally? Lemon peels contain citric acid, which acts as a natural bleaching agent. Rub the inside of a lemon peel on your teeth for a few minutes. The citric acid will help to remove surface stains and brighten your enamel. For even better results, create a paste by mixing lemon peel powder with a bit of baking soda. Apply this paste to your teeth and let it sit for a few minutes before brushing as usual. It's essential to use this method in moderation and not overdo it. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after using lemon peels on your teeth. Calling all food lovers. Lemon peels are a culinary secret weapon, adding a burst of flavor and aroma to countless dishes. Save them to elevate your cooking. The zest of a lemon is packed with essential oils that contain intense citrusy flavor. Use a fine grater or a zester to remove the zest, avoiding the bitter white pith underneath. Add lemon zest to marinades for chicken, fish, or tofu to infuse them with a bright, citrusy flavor. Incorporate it into salad dressings for a refreshing tang. Elevate your desserts by adding lemon zest to cakes, cookies, and pies. You can even candy lemon peels for a sweet and tangy treat. Get creative and experiment with using lemon peels in your cooking. If you're looking for a natural, effective, and affordable way to strengthen and brighten your nails, look no further than lemon peels. These citrus wonders are not just for adding flavor to your dishes, they have incredible benefits for your nails too. The citric acid in lemon peels helps to remove stains and brighten the appearance of your nails. This natural acid works as a gentle bleaching agent, making your nails look cleaner and more vibrant. Rub the inside of a lemon peel on your nails for a few minutes, then rinse with warm water. This simple routine can be done daily and is a quick way to maintain nail health. Create a nail soak by steeping lemon peels in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes, then soaking your nails in the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes. This soak not only cleanses but also hydrates your nails, leaving them feeling refreshed. Lemon peels are also rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is crucial for maintaining the strength and flexibility of your nails, preventing them from becoming brittle. For an extra nourishing treatment, mix a tablespoon of olive oil with the juice of half a lemon and a teaspoon of lemon zest. This combination not only moisturizes but also provides essential nutrients to your nails. Massage this mixture into your nails and cuticles and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. This treatment can be done once or twice a week for best results, ensuring your nails stay strong, healthy, and beautiful. Last but not least, let's talk about the internal benefits of lemon peels. A lemon peel tea is a refreshing and healthy beverage that can aid in detoxification, boost your immune system, and promote overall well-being. To make lemon peel tea, wash and peel a lemon, making sure to avoid the bitter white pith. Add the peels to a cup of boiling water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can sweeten your tea with honey or maple syrup if desired. Lemon peels contain antioxidants that can help protect your body against free radical damage. Drinking lemon peel tea regularly can help boost your immune system, thanks to its high vitamin C content. So, the next time you make yourself a cup of tea, consider using lemon peels instead of just the juice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing uses of lemon peels, Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Check out the links in the description for some awesome natural and healthy products. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. See you next time on Healthy Secrets.